Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how quantum computers actually work, you're in the right place. Today we're breaking it down into simple terms. No confusing jargon, just clear concepts. By the end of this video, you'll know what makes quantum computers so powerful and how they might change the world as we know it.
To understand quantum computing, let's first look at regular computers. Traditional computers process information using bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1. Every email, photo, and video you see is made up of billions of these zeros and ones working together.
But quantum computers? They don't play by those rules. They use something called qubits. And here's the twist. Qubits can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to a concept called superposition. Sounds wild, right? Let me show you what that means.
Think of a regular computer bit like a coin that's either heads or tails. A qubit, on the other hand, is like a spinning coin. It's both heads and tails at the same time until you stop it. This ability to be in multiple states at once allows quantum computers to do multiple calculations at the same time.
So, instead of checking one path at a time, quantum computers can explore multiple paths simultaneously. This gives them a huge advantage for solving complex problems like breaking encryption or finding the shortest route on a map with thousands of possible paths.
Next, we have entanglement, and this is where things get even more sci-fi. Imagine two particles that are linked in such a way that no matter how far apart they are, changing one instantly changes the other. If one particle flips from 0 to 1, the other does too, even if it's on the other side of the galaxy.
With entanglement, quantum computers can process information in ways that just aren't possible with normal computers. It's like being able to share secret information instantly, even across vast distances. Finally, there's quantum interference. Think of it like waves in the ocean. When waves overlap, they can either cancel each other out or combine into a bigger wave. Quantum computers use this concept to amplify the correct answers to a problem while canceling out the incorrect ones.
By using interference, quantum computers can steer their calculations toward the right answers. This is one of the ways quantum computers solve problems exponentially faster than normal computers. Okay, so if quantum computers are so powerful, why don't we all have one? Well, they're really hard to build. Qubits are extremely fragile and can lose their quantum state just by being too warm or too noisy. That's why most quantum computers operate at temperatures colder than outer space.
Yep, that's right, colder than outer space. And maintaining that extreme cold takes a lot of energy, space, and money. That's why only big companies like Google, IBM, and specialized research centers are building them right now.
Quantum computers aren't here to replace your laptop. Instead, they'll be used for tasks regular computers struggle with. For example, breaking encryption, medicine discovery, artificial intelligence, and optimization problems.
So if you're wondering, will I ever have a quantum laptop? Probably not. But banks, researchers, and tech giants, they'll be using them for tasks that are just too big for classic computers.
Relax, quantum computers won't take over the world, they're just tools. While they might be able to break certain types of encryption, cybersecurity experts are already working on quantum-resistant encryption to keep our data safe.
Sure, quantum computers are powerful, but they're not magic. And they're definitely not going to become sentient AI. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how quantum computers work. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.